morning, everybody. This is Judd at White Wave Trading Strategies. It is Wednesday, the first week in January 2026. We've had quite a run in the metals, and I'm going to go over those first, and then we'll talk about the rest of our targets, positioning. Let's start with the silver because that's been one of our better trades. We've been long the silver for basically $40. Last night, they keep coming up to this, basically this projection line around 82.5. Right now you have a double top in the silver, which is a little concerning. That was put in on a Wednesday. We can definitely have a corrective phase coming in from here. Gold, for me, I just want to keep seeing it stay above $4,400 on a close. Then I'm looking for that to go higher. But in the meantime, we have to respect what the technical models are doing. And, that gets into, hold on a second, let me get to the right screen for everybody. Okay, so, the gold is coming up into here. We need it to stay above 4,400. Right now on the silver, you basically have a double top, on the dailies. So I'm going to show you that. It's a little overbought. And now it's coming back down into here. It's not great price action, and we're just going to have to wait and see how this trades out. I'm always concerned when something puts in a high on a Wednesday and backs off, because that's just the first indication that the technical model's in play. And the technical model's been up for quite a while. So let's just go to look at the point and figures for a second. I'm putting out this video because it's just a lot easier to show everybody what I'm looking at versus writing a book. Short-term silver. This is a point and figure chart. The low of this was the last of the margin increase, and that was a Friday low, and then it took off again. Now you have a double top, and currently, it's holding momentum. This is my short-term point and figure. And I like these point and figures because it really helps to show me, the price structure. Here on a longer-term point and figure, you can see the breakout, see the rally, which has been straight up Sunday night into last night. And now we've had a back and fill. So this has to set up again to see if we can go higher again, or it's going to consolidate for a while. Platinum, didn't quite get up to the last high and came back down again. I'm going to need platinum pretty much back over 2,400 to get going again, and support is closer to 2,250. As far as the indices go, let me just pull this up. This is one of my risk spreads. This is long NASDAQ, short 30-year bonds. This has not been able to punch through this projection. This is a multi-year projection in the risk spread, and it can't get through it. So I have no interest in chasing anything in the NASDAQ. Currently, it's right into an area where it can hold again on the dailies. But, this is going to be a stock-specific trade what you see deal. My upside target in the S&Ps has been 69.91 for the last 12 months. I don't change my targets. My targets are on my price sheet. That's subscription only, and that hasn't changed. So that's kind of where we're at. I don't want anything to do with the treasury bonds. And that's how we're starting out the year. Now, we've also had one of our subscribers that's, talked to me a couple of weeks ago about this whole movement. You saw SanDisk yesterday up 27%. Well, there's a huge shortage in storage, and that's one of the reasons why it was up so big. Everybody's scrambling for storage, so if you want to get more RAM or more storage for your computers, prices are going up quite a bit. So that's just one little tidbit you might want to consider. Anyways, if you'd like to come and join us, you can go to whitewavetradingstrategies.com, put in your name and email, and come and join us for a trial in the room, or subscribe to my work. My videos are not fancy videos. This is just straightforward work. Thanks for your time. Hope you all have a good year.